Hello, welcome to Ideas to Objects, Mastering 3D Printing Live Lessons. I'm your host, Dave Seff, CEO of SolarOne Labs. I've been a maker for as long as I can remember. I've always had a fascination for how things work and how things are made. I now run a custom fabrication service, where items of many shapes and sizes are made, ranging from rare replacement parts to mid-range CNC machines. 3D printing has been around for decades, but in the past few years, 3D printing has been within the grasp of the average household. You may have even seen 3D printers appearing in your local stores. In this video series, you will gain an in-depth understanding of 3D printing. You will be able to create 3D models using Blender, a freely available yet powerful 3D modeling program. You will also learn to operate a desktop 3D printer, to transfer the 3D model into physical form that you can hold right in your hands. This series is broken down into 5 parts. First, we begin with an understanding what exactly 3D printing is and how desktop 3D printing began. We look at different types of 3D printing machines and techniques. I then take you on a visual tour of a common desktop 3D printer and the basics of how they work. Next, we begin learning computer modeling with Blender. We install Blender on a computer and begin learning how to create basic shapes. We'll start slow at first and work our way up to more complex objects. After you're comfortable with the basics of Blender, we dive deeper into Blender and look at more complex techniques. You'll learn what to do and what to watch out for when designing an object for 3D printing. Once we are good and ready with our model, you'll learn slicing, the process of preparing our model to be created on the printer. And finally, we ready the printer and give our object a go at printing. So let's roll up our sleeves and get started.